with another video. Hey y'all, I am back with another video or whatever. All right, guys, it's been a minute since the sister been gone. It's been a minute since I've been back or whatever, and I'm just back. Ain't y'all glad to see me or whatever? But don't, like, you know, I post a little video for y'all. You know that I was letting y'all know that I was coming, and I'm thinking about doing some vlogs or whatever. I got a new vlog. Check that out. I think I'll be posting that this week. I had an argument with Alexa. And you know, she wasn't popping. You know, the Alexa, the one that played the music, and sorry, I didn't hear that trick over there, that hoe over there, thought. All right, so I'm probably gonna break this video into two because it's a lot of updates, a lot of information, a lot with these plants, and you know, I don't want to make a 12-minute video and have y'all here all day. So I have my phone here, 606, so I can put it on the timer and make a second video for you guys. All right, so 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, so the first plant. Okay, so today I'm gonna talk about these updates with my plants and stuff like that. All, you know, the mishaps, the woes, what happened to some of the plants. Chill. Okay, y'all need to keep watching this video because you know these plants is crazy. So the first plant I'm gonna talk about or whatever is this plant, my snake plant. I've had this plant for a year now. I bought it when it was much smaller. This plant continues to do amazing. It does very well. I don't have any issues with this plant. The only thing, it is a slow grower. So I'm thinking maybe I should repot it again. So it can grow a lot more. You know, it's a very slow grower, but I haven't had any issues with that plant. I don't do nothing to that plant, and it just continues grows. It just does amazing. Like, why can't all the other plants be like that? Like, that plant just does amazing. The next plant I would like to talk about is my my two Hoyas. This is the variegated Hoya, as you can see. She has grown a lot. This is the queen Hoya. She's grown a lot, as you can see. This new stem here. Hold up one second. This one right here. She just continues to do very well. A slow grower as well, but is flourishing. I remember when I had her and the sister was a little worried because I got her as cuttings in the mail, and I was just like, I don't know, homegirl gonna make it. Some of the leaves have died, as you can see here, but I think that this comes along with the process. But she's doing really well. I don't have any concerns. As you can see, she's just growing. She has some baby leaves on here. So I'm very happy with her. That's the queen, right? You know what I mean? The queen. And everybody think the queen is much stronger than a princess, but this is supposed to be, I think this is the Princess Hoya. But look at this one. Look at this one. This one has taken off way better than the Hoya. Look how long the leaves are. The stem is to grow the leaf. And look how full this plant is. And this is the Princess Hoya. The Queen Hoya over there, you trying to sit pretty, but the Princess Hoya is doing way better than you. I don't understand. So the next plant I'm going to talk about right here is this Monstera. Right here. Woo, child. This thing right here. I don't even think I could put her in an entire camera. Look at, it's just, I am in the woods, in the woods. She is, she's done very well. This plant right here, Ozzy. She's done I'm sorry guys, I had to move her. All right, that's plant Ozzy, and she's done very well, continues to grow, flourish, no complaints, ain't no complaints. Hey, and she's just doing really well, no complaints. She's growing bigger and bigger. I've had her for maybe about over a year, about a year and a half maybe. No issues, growing beautifully. The next plant I would like to talk about is my snake fin plant. This plant is beautiful, love it. She did grow, this plant grew 2 babies like this one. They were growing and I cut them out because I just think this plant is beautiful by itself like this. It's just a statement. Like, it's just a statement piece. Like, it's such a beautiful plant. She just be sitting pretty. Sitting pretty because I look too good. Hey, she's just a beautiful plant. I don't have no issues with that plant. The next plant is this one. I'm trying to grow a little bit faster, go faster here so I won't have you guys here all day. This plant is my Hoya, the heart Hoya one. She continues to do very well and grow and grow. I don't have any issues with this plant, no issues. Now her sister, the variegated Hoya, the one that's yellow and green, she was trying to have these little spots on her. And I'm just at a point in my life where I don't need that negativity. Like, if you're not trying to be down with me and you trying to do your own thing, then you just not gonna be up in my crib. So had to let her go. Right now I'm just with plants who trying to like support me and be there for me emotionally and mentally. You know what I mean? Like, these plants will put you on an emotional roller coaster. You know what I mean? And if you have a plant acting up and doing ugly, it's going to really break your heart and cause anxiety and all this stress. And I don't need that negativity in my life. So I had to let the trick go. All right, so this one, y'all remember this one? This one is the Hindu rope Hoya plant. And this one's done really well. It's finally grew. Slow grower. This is a slow growing plant in my opinion. But I got this plant as cuttings. And this plant has grown very good so far. No issues with this plant. This plant does not like a lot of water. It does not like a lot of water. Did y'all hear that? You only want to water it every so often. It likes to be more drier. So a good tip that a plant friend told me is that, you know, you have to research the plants. If you're going to try to be cute and have a little tropical plant in your house and it's hot as ever in there, like completely hot, no water, no nothing, then you're going to be in some problems. You're going to be in some trouble. You need to research where the plant comes from. So succulents, for example, those are desert plants. So why are you watering it every day? Did you think about the desert? Went past your head. Think about the succulents are from the desert. So desert don't get water like that. It don't need water like that. You only want to water succulents every so often. Think about that. If you have a tropical plant, you want to make sure it's more in a humid environment. So by creating that humid environment, you want to be misting it with water. You know what I mean? So kind of like, y'all need to kind of figure that out. I don't know. Anyways, the next plant, my soon-to-be brother-in-law gave me this plant right here. Beautiful plant. The good thing, he loves plants as well. And he gave me this plant, and it's such a beautiful plant. He's taking great care of it. I just love it. It's a Dracana. I don't know the exact name of the plant. If you guys know it off the top of your head, let us know. Okay? Let me check the time because I ain't trying to have y'all here all day. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Alright, I'm going to talk for 2 more minutes and then I'm going to do part 2. So the next plant is this one right here. I forgot the name of this, but I think this is in the family of a Calathea, Kalika, whatever. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So with this plant is a beautiful plant. And, I was thinking about kind of, she was, every now and then she'll act up a little bit and I'll put her by the door. You know what I mean? And when I put her by the door, she just get like pretty and make a new leaf. You know what I mean? It's like, no. But with this plant, it's a beautiful plant. It's a little temperamental, but what I like about this plant is it really tries. I like that this plant really tries to do well and to grow and to look pretty. You know what I mean? Like, if I threaten her just a little bit, like, look, you gonna be out the house. The next day, she'll kind of be like up like this. You know what I mean? So she really tried. That's why she ain't get kicked out the house yet. The next plant is one of my favorite plants, my ZZ plant. This is my ZZ plant. This plant continues to do well. To me, it's kind of a slow grower. It hasn't grown as much, but it is growing, but not as fast as I would like it or full, but it does really well. It's a great plant. I have no complaints with that plant. That plant is beautiful. So if you guys are looking for some plants that, low maintenance, you ain't really got to worry about, like I said, a snake plant. This one is a snake plant. This plant, very easy to take care of. The ZZ plant is very easy to take care of. The Monstera plant, this one right here, I consider this plant an easy to take care of plant. The only thing, this plant grows fast. It grows rapidly. If you're okay with that and you got space in your house to, house this plant, then you good. But this plant grows mad fast. And on top of that, my brother-in-law, I took him to the nursery up in here where we're at. He was visiting us with his fiance in town and took him to the nursery, and he got some plants, and he bought me a plant. I'm so happy. Can y'all guess what plant this is? Love this plant. This is a baby Monstera. Yes, baby Monstera. As you can see, new baby right here. So I'm just so excited about this baby Monstera. I have 2 now. So now these 2 are gonna be in competition. And watch, the baby plants always take off than the bigger plants. I don't know what that's about. But guess what, guys? I gotta go. I didn't want to make this video too long. It's already been long enough. But stay tuned for my second video, okay? It's coming soon. Love you guys. Deuces.